Hello and welcome to Spoons Ribbons. In today's video, I'm going to share a chocolate cake recipe that is going to be super healthy. Yes, I'm not going to use any maida or any sugar or any eggs. So let's get started. In a pan, take half cup of jaggery and half cup of water. Let it come to a boil. Now once the jaggery dissolves, let's switch off the flame and keep it for cooling down. Make sure to use the cold jaggery mixture for this cake. So to this mixture I'm going to add 1/4 cup of yogurt, 1/4 cup of any non-flavored oil. So here I am using vegetable oil. Now with a whisker we are going to whisk this mixture. So friends, here at this point we need to take care to mix it as much as possible so that we can incorporate more air into it, which will help in rising the cake. To this we are going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix everything very well. So now our wheat ingredient has mixed properly. Now let's go ahead and add our dry ingredients. For that I have used here wheat flour, and the quantity I have used here is 1 plus 1/4 cup. To this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, and 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. So let's sift all together. Now with a spatula, let's mix the mixture with cut and fold method. So we are not going to overmix the mixture, just enough so that everything is mixed properly. I have prepared my baking tray. I have lined it with the parchment paper and also floored it. Now let's pour our batter into the baking tray. Make sure to level it on top and also on the corners of the tray if you are using a square or a rectangular baking tray. Tap it a few times and our cake is ready to go into for baking. So here I have preheated my kadai or pan for 10 minutes. You can also bake this cake in an oven, and I have given the settings in the description box below. I have baked my cake in this pan for around 30 to 40 minutes on a medium flame. Do a toothpick test, and if it comes out clean, then our cake is ready to be moved out. Take it out and let it cool down before we can cut into the pieces. Check out the gorgeous color of this chocolate cake. Dig into this healthy and yummy delicious chocolate cake and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. If you like my video, then do give a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, then do subscribe. Press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload any new videos. So until the next video, stay safe and thank you.